Wait, uFacebook usuyaholelana, yebo, ihemce, sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama, uFacebook usuyaholelana. Let me explain to you ukuthi kwenzeka kanjani. Asiqale. Finally, usuyakuholela ukube i-content creator eSouth Africa. Understand ukuthi they introduced in-stream ads. Ama-creators earn money by placing ads inside i-video, long videos. Ukubona i-video maye 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and then phakathi nendawo nokuhlangana nama-adverts, iyona-ke into efaka imali leyo. Understand ukuthi ads play before, during, and after i-video. Understand ukuthi they are paid based on views, watch time, ne-adverts demand. Understand ukuthi i-video yakho kumele ibe longer than 1 minute for you to qualify. Understand futhi ukuthi ama-earnings abo range between u-50 cent to 3 rand per 1,000 views. Now imagine uzoshaya i-video ezoba na 500,000 views, 1,000,000 views. Yo, yangena imali. It does not end there. Understand ukuthi awuholi just by creating long videos ayo 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Mawukuthi wena nje uthanda ukuzenzela ama-reels, ama-videos akho 3 minutes or 4 minutes or 2 minutes, you also get paid because they had ads for Facebook Reels. Understand ukuthi short form videos, ama-reels, earn money when ads are shown in between lawo ma-reels. Now lawo ma-reels kuzofakwa ama-adverts laphaya, khona wena uzokwazi ukuthi wenze imali when umuntu ebuka leyo adverts. Understand ukuthi paid per view, understand ukuthi performance based, understand ukuthi high engagement reels can earn between 5,000 to 50,000 per month, depending on the number of people ababuka leyo video. I'm sure right now uyazibuza ukuthi mina ngino-Facebook and mina ngihlezi ngiposta, but lento bengayazi. So when did it all begin with zero? Awungichazele. Let's go back asibuyele emuva to the very beginning. Understand ukuthi ngo-2017 uMeta first launched i-Facebook funded monetization, meaning creators could earn money from in-stream ads, yezwa, on long videos. Over substantial years, they paid out billions to content creators worldwide, kodwa hayi eSouth Africa. Understand ukuthi by 2024 uMeta had paid over 2 billion to content creators across all their platforms, kodwa hayi eSouth Africa. Ngo-2021, uMeta began testing a bold new idea, ama-real monetization, whereby they launched i-Real Play Bonus program. La khona kuyindawo ey'fana njenge-US ne-India, ama-creators could be paid big bonuses for ama-videos abo atrendayo, ama-hits videos. Understand ukuthi at one time, they proudly offered imali engango-$35,000 per month to many creators ase-India nase-US for posting ama-video atrenda. Konke lokho kwenzeka kumanye amazwe, not e-Africa, not e-South Africa. All of this is happening kumanye ama-continent, kumanye ama-countries, o-US, o-India, o-Asia, o-Australia, Europe, kodwa hayi e-South Africa. But thina e-South Africa, we kept our heads down, salokhu sidedela hit after hit every single year. Sasenza sure ukuthi more than 1,000, more than 1,000,000 people base-South Africa create ama-trending videos until they decided to notice and they decided ukuthi nope, asilethe i-Facebook monetization nase-South Africa. Understand, hlakanipha mntu omnyama, and understand ukuthi ngomhla ka-22 February 2022 uMeta made one of the biggest moves ever. Decide ukuthi uzo-expanda past i-Western markets uye le kumanye ama-sub-Saharan African countries, and that included i-South Africa, i-Kenya, i-Nigeria, i-Uganda, and many more. Konke lokho meant ukuthi new monetization tools, including i-Real Play Bonus, was also gonna be accessible to thina bantu base-South Africa. That gave us a chance ukuthi one day now you could earn $35,000 per month in dollars just for creating a video etrendayo. NgoJuly 2025, uMeta finally decided ukuthi nope, instead of ukuthi ngime nama-ways amaningi of ukukhokhela ehemce to ama-content creator, why not ngiyihlanganise ibe under one umbrella, under one framework. And so, ngomhla ka-31 August 2025, uMeta decided to let go of all of le ndlela lezi and created one way and called it i-Facebook Content Monetization. La khona where they mixed konke ama-reels, ama-long videos, ama-photos, ama-text, kwashiwo kwathiwa as long as wenza i-reel uposte, as long as wenza i-long video uposte, as long as usaposta iy'thombe or kube khona into oyibhalayo mase uyaposta, uzoyithola ihemce because wena you are under i-Facebook Content Monetization. Hlakanipha-ke mntomnyama and understand ukuthi once you have a professional dashboard on Facebook, lokho kusho ukuthi wena your content can now be monetized. Kusho ukuthi uyaqualifya ukuthola ama-stars, ama-ads on Reel, they give you ama-bonus mawukuthi wena uposta njalo and uyatrenda. You get i-subscription, you get i-content monetization, you get i-partnership. There is only one small anyana problem kuko konke lokho. Understand ukuthi you have to qualify ukuthi ungene kule society yama content creator aholayo through uFacebook. Understand ukuthi uFacebook itself will notify you when you are eligible. Just because on a professional account doesn't mean ukuthi wena mawuposta uyahola. Ayikho leyo nto. Don't believe ama content creator athi comment alana now qualify, ngfollowe now uzoqualify. Don't believe ama-email angenayo athi uqualifyile, ngena kwilinki uqualifyile, fonela imali, fonela inamba ethize. That is fake. The only way okwazi ukuthi uqualify ngalento is when uFacebook ukusendela i-notification kwi-app. To all of ama 1K amahle, next time you see ingane yakho idansa, icula, i-actor, yenza i-video and posting it on social media, ungayithethisi because you never know, one day uzokuthengela imoto.